We are smack dab in the middle of the summer season, and folks are enjoying their time out on the water. Now, for boat owners, 'tis the season for fishing, cruising, and soaking up a little sun with a cold beverage.
But before you shout anchors away, it's important to remember some of the maintenance that's required to make sure your investment is protected and that your vessel is performing at its best.
Let's check in with Outdoors Delmarva's Jason Lee.
When I bought my duck boats back in the spring, I brought it to you and I said, hey, we got to get this thing water ready. And you guys did a great job. Said, you know what, we don't know when the water pump's ever been replaced, if it's ever been replaced. We replaced that, we got the boat going. It's great, I'm having a great time on the water. And I'm like, you know what, I know that if there's any issues, you're the guy that I'm going to talk to, but there are other people that might not know that.
Well, that's right. And the thing is the preventative maintenance is worth a ton of cure. So anything that you can do in the initial seasonal get ready is going to make your boating season a lot more enjoyable. Nobody wants to be paddling around in the middle of the creek trying to get back to the boat ramp because it ruins your whole day, and then your family won't want to go back out in the boat with you. So that's one of the things that we try to stress to people is the fact that you need to have your boat checked over and prepared for the upcoming boating season. You buy a boat and you're not sure of the maintenance history of the boats, there are certain things that you want to make sure that you have addressed. Number one, a water pump impeller, whether it's an inboard or an outboard, if you're not sure of the age of it, and the person that you get the boat from or purchase the boat from is unable to verify that with you, don't take a chance. Replace that little impeller, replace that water pump, because I'm telling you right now, the ill is a whole lot worse than the minor preventative cure.
Yeah.
The other thing is bottom paint. If a boat's going to be kept in a wet slip environment, in a saltwater environment, or in even brackish water, bottom paint needs to be renewed pretty regularly. Most modern bottom paints are ablative bottom paints, which means they're constantly polishing as the boat's moving through the water. And as that happens, it's actually taking material away. The other thing is that ablative bottom paints, as long as they stay wet, they stay effective for long periods of time. But in our part of the world, where boats come out of the water for a long and extended period of non-boating season, we unfortunately have to call winter around here. The paint, when it dries out like that, loses almost all of its ability to resist the biologic growth, which is all bottom paint's on the boat for anyway, is to keep the barnacles, the slime, and the other organic growth from attaching to it. It can still look pretty. It can still be blue or black or green or whatever color it may be. But if it's out and dried out for a long period of time, that's all it is. It looks pretty, but it's not going to keep any organic growth off. When the boat breaks down, the fun factor goes out of boating real fast. And that's what you spent the money for, was to get out and have a good time and enjoy your activities, whether it's fishing, water sports, just riding around, looking at the sights. That's the whole idea. And when the boat's home broke on the trailer, nobody's having any fun with it.
All right, so for those that are thinking, you know what, maybe I do need to get my boat looked at, they need to come see you.
Absolutely, yeah. We can, spring commissionings are relatively quick. They're not expensive in the grand scheme of things. And the dividends that proper preparation pay are enormous.
All right, so we got a full service department here with bottom boat painting. You got a full parts department, and of course you got this beautiful showroom. That's, you know what, maybe you need a new one, or maybe you need another one to add to the fleet.
Absolutely. And another thing we have our own propeller shop. We do propeller reconditioning in here. It pays enormous dividends in performance of your boat.
All right, so performance efficiency equals fun when it comes to being on the water.
Yes, that's a great idea. Get outdoors, Delmarva, in your boat.
And Scott also says that even if your propeller looks okay to the naked eye, oftentimes they can be worn down by up to 30%, which drastically increases the stress on the engine.
That's where their propeller shop comes in. If you want to find out more about what North Bay Marina can do for your boat, visit our website and click on what's happening today. And Scott nailed it. You know, the prevention is the key because the fun goes out of boating when you break down in the middle of wherever you are.
And leave it to the experts, because owning a boat here, there's a lot more to it than owning a boat where they don't have the salt water and
Right.
the brackish water. So yeah.
Preventative maintenance.